Hello everyone, I hope you all are studying, and today we are going to do or we discuss about the nomenclature. Now in the previous video I have given the functional group and how we name the functional group. Now if it is the rule according to the rule of nomenclature, if it is long chain, then what you have to do, first rule was the longest chain. You have to give the longest chain. Numbering you have to give in such a way that in that chain maximum number of carbon will be there. Then you have to give the numbering and you have to see the numbering of the substituent. For example, if you see here, there will be the different functional group also. Then if it is so, then you have to give the priority of that functional group. What is the, so everything we'll discuss in this video. So let's start then. The first one you can see, this is the long chain. You have to first find it out, and one substituent chlorine is there, chloro. Okay, chlorine is there. So numbering, if I will start from here, and what is the numbering? The chain should be straight, so you cannot go zigzag way. Okay, so numbering either you write here or here, because here also one CH3, this side also, so this side also one CH3. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I will count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I will count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means anywhere or from any side, you give the numbering, maximum number of carbon should be there in the carbon chain. But numbering I have to start from here. Why? If I start from here, 1, 2, 3. 3 position substituent. Okay. That's why second rule says shortest route. Shortest route means substituent you have to check whether you are getting is less numbering of carbon और with the higher numbering of carbon. तो यहाँ से अगर मैं नंबरिंग देती हूँ 1, 2, 3, 4, then this chlorine is coming in second carbon. सेकेंड वाले कार्बन पे क्लोरीन आ रहा है. और अगर मैं यहाँ से नंबरिंग देती हूँ 1, 2, 3, so 3 पोजीशन कार्बन पर 3 नंबर कार्बन पे आ रहा है क्लोरीन. तो शॉर्टेस्ट रूट कौन सा होगा? शॉर्टेस्ट रूट ऊपर वाला है, मीन्स इस साइड से है. So left to right we have to move. So it is 2 position chlorine. First you write 2 position chlorine. Okay, and 3 position 2 methyl group. Okay, then it is coming 3 position 2 methyl group. So 3, 3, and prefix will come, because prefix means when it is more than one substituent. So prefix that time it will come. So here it is 2. So the prefix will come dimethyl. Okay. So these are the 2 substituents you have chosen. Okay. Now which one will alphabetical order? Third rule is alphabetical order. So chloro and methyl. So which one will come alphabetically first? Chloro. So you have to start from chloro. So chalo, let's start. Let's write the nomenclature of this. So what it will be? It will be 2 chloro, then 3, 3, dimethyl, and how many carbon in the chain? 4 carbon. So it is butane, dimethyl butane. I hope you understand the rule. The first rule is longest chain. You have to check. Then shortest route. And then we have arranged alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. Next one is, what is this? This is double bond is present. In next example, we have seen double bond is present and bond bromine. So if I will give numbering, you have to see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so bromine is coming in third carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so bromine is coming third carbon. If I count from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, then bromine is coming fourth position. So that will not possible. We have to give the shortest route. Then in is in between 1 and 2. So I have discussed this. Whenever is double bond, if it is carbon 1 and carbon 2, then you have to take the smallest number 1. Then 3 and 4, in between 3 and 4, smallest number. Okay, and 5 and 6, then also smallest number. So what will be the nomenclature for this? What will be the nomenclature? Write it down. How many carbon? 6. So it is hex. Okay. So 3 bromo, 3 bromo, then position is 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3, 5. Prefix will be tri because 3 times. So it is hexatriene. 1, 3, 5 hexatriene. Understood? We have to give the numbering to the position of the double bond. Okay. Next one is the functional group is amine. Here functional group is amine. Now in this, see, one side is 1 carbon, another side is 3 carbon. So what is the rule? The number of carbon you have to give this is your chain, longest chain. So 3 carbon, they are in the longest chain. Then this will be act as a substituent. In amine, the substituent when we write with N substitute. N, capital N. N is the position. So which group is there? Only one is there. So N-methyl. 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 Then, N-methyl, and it is 3 carbon. So what will be the root? Propane, but E will not be omitted because amine is coming. So A is also a vowel. So E will be omitted and amine will be write. So propanamine. N-methyl propanamine. N is the substituent. How many substituents? If it is a 2 substituent, suppose N hydrogen is substituted with another methyl. So what we will write? N twice. Like in for others, we used to write the number. Here no need. Here for amine groups we will write N. So N, dimethyl propanamine. Okay, understood? Okay. Now here 3. This is the longest chain. Amine is in the second carbon. 1, 2, 3, second carbon amine. So what it will be? It will be propan 2 amine. Propan 2 amine. Position I have to give. If this amine group is in the end of the chain, then directly write propanamine because it is in the first carbon. Okay. Understood? And where this amine group will attach, from that carbon numbering will start. Here either you give numbering from this side or this side. Amine group is coming in the second carbon. So that's why we can give the numbering from any side. Okay. So next one is, now you see what is the N. N means again amine. Hydrogens are, amine groups is NH2. So NH2. Now this hydrogen will be substituted by other R group. So these are, one side it is methyl, methyl, and this side it is a long chain. So always you prefer the amine you choose, along with that root will come which is the longest chain. So how many carbon here? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This C2H5 we can write CH2, CH3. This way also we can write. So this is the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both way the amine is attached with the longest chain of prop. Okay. So 5 carbon. Now in this end, like here in this end, here only one methyl group. Now here 2 methyl groups. So what you will write? What you will write? N comma N dimethyl N comma N dimethyl propanam. This is pent. So pentamine. Pentanamine. Pentanamine. Okay, understood. Next one is C. Next one, both are different functional group. Okay, so here priority of functional group, if you see priority, so here what you will see that carboxylic acid is coming in the beginning. Okay, carboxylic acid is always the first priority, then it will be other sulfonic acid and all, but I am just doing which are in your syllabus. So then aldehyde, then ketone. So these are the priority we will get in the beginning. Then OH. Okay, so these are the groups which are giving the first priority. Amines will get the second priority. So here, if functional group carboxylic acid will get the first priority, then I have to start counting from here. So this is one carbon in the functional group. Carbon is there. That carbon also you have to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 carbon chain, and fourth position one amine group is there. So what you can write? That time it will be act as a prefix. So amino. So 4 amino butanoic acid. 4 amino, carbon chain is 4. So butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Understood? Next one again with amine. Now here also the same. See, this side is 2 carbon, this side is 1 carbon. So longest chain is 2 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 carbon is there. Here also the same way. So 2 position. So 2 amino butane. Or you can write butane 2 amine. That is more butane 2 amine. Butane is the chain. But 4 carbon. Butane 2 position is amine. So butane 2 amine. Okay. Next one, here we can see that one aromatic ring. Okay. So but amine group is attached with this chain. So this chain amine is there. So this will be, you will have to write, this is the main chain, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 chain and 1 second carbon, 1 ring is there. So ring means what? It is benzene ring. But when benzene ring is one hand is substituted with a chain, that time it will be, the formula is C6H5. And this name is phenyl. This name is phenyl. ये रिंग ना लिख के उन लोग C6H5 भी लिख सकते थे. If I will not write ring, I will write here directly the formula C6H5. Okay, you have to think this C6H5, this group name is phenyl. Remember this. Okay, so 2 position is phenyl. So 2 phenyl, 2 phenyl. How many carbon? 3 carbon. So propanamine. Propanamine. So today mostly we are doing the amide. I'll do the other functional group also. So here I have written mostly related amide and halide. Okay. Now see here, it is halide group. Now it is, what is the chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So any side you can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what are the position? Chloro and bromo. So here only you have to give the position of the halogen. Now if it is chlorine, chlorine is coming 1,4 dichloro, and 2 and 3 is coming bromo. So which one will alphabetically, because 2 substituent when you write, which one will come first? First will be alphabetical. So B will come first. So what will write? 2, 3 dibromo, 2, 3 dibromo, then 1, 4 dichloro, and chain is butane. Understood? So write it down. Then next we will do with the other functional group. Next one is C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5. So this is C double bond O. Which is the group? This is ketone. Okay, another functional group I have taken ketone. So here other functional group is not there, it is a normal chain. So only you have to see the highest number of carbon. So how many total number of carbon in the chain? 2, 3, 4, 5. So total is 5 carbon. So simply pentane, which position ketone? 3 position, 3 1. Pentane 3 1. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay. So third position ketone group. Next one is next one, see here, methoxy. O CH3, it is which group? It is ROR. So this side is OCH3 and this side is a longest chain. Okay. Now in this longest chain ketone is also there. So there are 2 functional group. One is ROR, one is R double bond OR dash. Okay. So 2 functional group, which is this, which one will be first priority? Ketone will get first priority. So priority list, it is there in your book. You remember, try to remember that. Always remember, carboxylic is the first priority, then ketonic group, okay, or carbonyl group, you can say carbonyl group, then alcohol. These are coming in the first group. Okay. Now what is the this one? So this priority will be given. So now see, now give the numbering. What is the longest chain? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So both side, if you count, the ketone is coming in the third carbon. Either you write like this, or write like this. This third carbon. Now whether you should go from here or you should come from here. Why? Because here OCH3 is also act as a substituent. CH3 is also act as a substituent. So I have to give this as a priority. Okay. OCH3 will get the more priority than CH3. So what it will be? Now numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक बार नंबरिंग समझ में आ गया कि किस साइड से नंबरिंग किसको प्रायोरिटी देना है, नोमेनक्लेचर में और कुछ नहीं है। ओके चलो, सो 1 2 पोजीशन इज मिथॉक्सी, सो 2 मिथॉक्सी, 2 methoxy, 4 methyl, 4 methyl, and how many carbon? 5 carbon, pentan 3 1, pentan 3 1. Okay, pentan 3 1, 2 methoxy, 4 methyl, pentan 3 1. Don't give this gap, this together. Only this numbering, after numbering 1 dash you have to put. This is the method. Now here see, here same way, here methoxy is there and chlorine is there. So we'll get, methoxy will get first priority. So numbering will start from here 1 2 3 4 5. So here it will be what? Here it will be chloro and methoxy. So writing time, alphabetical order you have to write. So chlorine you have to write first. So it is 4th carbon is chlorine. So 4 chloro, first alphabet is capital. 4 chloro, then 2 methoxy, 2 methoxy, carbon is how many? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 only. So pentan 3 1, pentan 3 1. Next one is nitro and chlorine. So halogens comes at the end. So nitro will get the first priority and chain will be of ketone. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here also the same way, 4 chloro, 2 nitro, pentan 3 1. All are pentan only. Okay, now here the rule is, now same rule, but here what is methoxy and ethoxy. Both are ethyl group, but both are having the groups which is different their chain. So which will be E will come first. So we will write here it is 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be 2 ethoxy, 2 ethoxy, 2 ethoxy, 4 methoxy, 2 ethoxy, 4 methoxy, pentan 3 1. So today this is about the nomenclature. We are solving some nomenclature related questions. So you go through that, practice, see your textbook, NCERT, and try to solve as many as you can. See, these all will, if you practice, you will get interest also. When you practice more, आपका जो करने का जो इच्छा है वो भी ज्यादा होगा. So that is the reason, try to do as much as you can. And if you please like this way, this kind of video, please subscribe, share with your friends. देखो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करोगे तो मुझे भी बनाने का एक जो इच्छा है वो भी ज्यादा होगा. And please press notification bell so that you can get as soon as I will upload the video. Okay, thank you.